Most people have one job, one salary, one income coming in every month. And the scary thing is, if that one thing disappears tomorrow, everything just collapses completely overnight. Okay, so I genuinely wish someone had just told me this stuff earlier. Like, it would have saved me so much stress, honestly. Like, when you're young, you just think, money will sort itself out later, right? And then later actually arrives and you're like, oh no. And the crazy part is, the gap between these two people just keeps growing every single year without them even realizing it. So today I'm walking you through 5 mistakes. And honestly, if even one of these clicks for you, this whole video was worth it. And trust me, number 3 is the one that gets absolutely everyone. Like, even people who think they're doing fine financially, whether you're 18 or 45, these mistakes affect everybody. And fixing even one of them can seriously change your life. All right, so let's get into it. Grab a pen if you need one, because mistake number 1, you're probably doing it right now. So mistake 1 is not saving early enough. And honestly, I know it sounds simple, but barely anyone actually does it. When you're young, you just think, I'll save later, I've got time. And that thought right there is exactly what keeps people broke. Even saving $20 a week from 18 adds up to something that will genuinely shock you down the line. Like, seriously. $20 a week from 18 gets you over $85,000 by 40, just from being consistent, nothing fancy at all. So whatever you can spare right now, even if it feels embarrassingly small, just start. Future you will literally thank you for it. Okay, so that's mistake 1, and honestly, mistake 2 is even more common. Like, almost everyone I know has fallen into this one. Okay, so mistake 2. And this one is so easy to fall into without even noticing. Like, it sneaks up on you completely. You know that feeling? Payday hits and suddenly everything looks affordable. New phone, eating out, new clothes. And look, enjoying your money is completely fine. I'm not saying don't spend. It's just about being intentional with where it actually goes. Super simple rule: 50% to needs, 30% to things you want, 20% straight to savings. That's literally it, nothing complicated. Most people just spend and hope something's left at the end of the month. And spoiler, sound familiar at all? So this week, just track every single thing you spend, even coffee, even small stuff. Mistake 3, and I genuinely meant it when I said this one gets everybody. Like, even people who are pretty good with money still fall into this one. Because investing feels scary when nobody taught you how it works. What if I lose it all? What if I pick wrong? So people just close the app and never go back again. Here's what nobody tells you in school. Your money can literally grow on its own while you sleep, eat, hang out with friends. It just keeps working quietly in the background for you. Look at this right here. Same amount invested every month, but person A starts at 18 and person B waits till 30. The difference is over $500,000 just from starting earlier. And before you think you need thousands to start investing, there are apps right now where you can literally begin with $5, $10, and just build it up slowly from there. Just pick an index fund, set up even a tiny automatic investment every month, and honestly just forget about it and let time do all the heavy lifting for you from there. Okay, so mistake 4, and this one genuinely frustrates me because it's so fixable. Like, it's probably the easiest one on this whole list to actually do something about today. We will spend 3 hours watching random videos online without even thinking twice. But 30 minutes learning something about money somehow feels like way too much effort for most people. Because honestly, just one good book, one solid podcast episode, one decent YouTube video a week, and within a few months, your whole understanding of money completely transforms. If you literally don't know where to start, Rich Dad, Poor Dad and The Psychology of Money are the 2 I always recommend first. Just pick one and start reading this weekend, honestly. And you genuinely don't need a finance degree or anything like that. Just commit to learning one small thing every single day, and I promise you the results will actually surprise you over time. Because the more you understand how money actually works, the harder it becomes for anyone or anything to ever take advantage of financially, and that peace of mind is genuinely priceless. So mistake 5, and this is the last one, but honestly, it might be the most important one on this entire list. Like, this one genuinely changed everything personally. Most people have one job, one salary, one income coming in every month. And the scary thing is, if that one thing disappears tomorrow, everything just collapses completely overnight. But imagine having 2, 3, even 4 different things bringing money in at the same time. So if one slows down, the others are still running, and you're completely covered no matter what happens. This doesn't mean quitting your job tomorrow or anything crazy like that. It literally just means starting one small side thing on the weekends and slowly building it up from there over time. Think of it like water streams. One small stream can dry up so easily, but multiple streams flowing together create something powerful. So just start thinking about what skills you already have right now, because I promise there is something there that other people would genuinely pay for. You just have to find it. We just covered 5 mistakes that honestly most people will spend their entire lives making without ever even realizing it. But not you, not after today. So just to recap really quickly, stop putting off saving, spend with intention, start investing even tiny amounts, keep learning about money, and build more than one income stream. You don't have to fix all 5 of these overnight. Just pick one. Start with that one this week, and then slowly work your way through the rest at your own pace. Because financial freedom, lots of money, it's about having choices, having peace of mind, and honestly just not having to stress about money every single day anymore. And I genuinely want that for you. Like, that's literally why I make these videos, because I know what it feels like to struggle with money, and I never want that for anyone watching this. So if this video helped you even a little bit, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because every single week we drop new videos, just like this one for you. I'm Lexa, thank you so much for spending this time with me today. Your financial journey starts right now, and I genuinely cannot wait with you. See you next week.